autumn or taglagast. So they are protecting their baby birds. So I'll show you a photo or a video of this bird, guys. This is a Syrian woodpecker in Germany. The presence of a Syrian woodpecker in Germany has in the year 2016 been substantiated for the very first time in the Oberfranken region. It is very easy to confuse the Syrian woodpecker, which normally lives in the southeastern Europe, with the great spotted woodpecker, which is a common here. On taking a second look, however, an observant birdwatcher had her doubts about the identity of what she had initially believed to be a great spotted woodpecker. She sent a photo of the woodpecker for the Bavarian to the Bavarian Society for the Protection of Bird. The first documented evidence of the Syrian woodpecker in Germany is in keeping with the prediction of European ornithologists. They have said that the woodpecker is a species that likes the warmth and that will spread northwards and westwards over the next few decades from the southeastern Europe to central Europe. Not far away, there is already evidence of them breeding the Czech Republic. One key identifying characteristic of the Syrian woodpecker can be discerned by all bird watchers for themselves. Unlike the great spotted woodpecker, the Syrian woodpecker does not have the black rines at the nape of its neck. The lower spine is also less red. It has slightly dotted lines along its flanks, and the outer tail feathers are mainly black, though with just a little white. So look at this, guys. So beautiful. Beautiful autumn. So look at the leaves. So beautiful. So this forest is a private forest. So look, there's a bench. There's a small house over there on the right side of this road. So maybe if you're tired, you can stay there. Or if you're waiting for someone, then it's a nice place. There's a roof. So here, they're also making a road here. So maybe a shortcut going to their house. So on this left area, there's also a road. So I'll pass there and see what's inside there. So this is the bench that I showed you a while ago, and that's the waiting shed. So I'll take this road, this left road. So guys, look at the forest, so beautiful. So this is the road where I came from. So this is again the intersection. I'll show you guys the forest here in Germany. Okay, showing you how does it look. Alright, so that's the bike that I am using. There's a bench. So this is the intersection. Okay, so on the left side or right side, sorry. Okay, so going up to the hill. Actually, this is the highest place where I live now. So there's another road there. Not road for cars, but road for people. Yan. Mostly ang mga dumadaan dito is yung may mga pets. Yan, dito na nila nilalakad. Itong pinaka main road, yan. Yan sa bicycle area, yan. Yan. And then guys, I'll show you the playground. The playground which we will not think that it's a playground. So here in Germany, okay, wait. Bubenreut. So, pag sinearch nyo sa internet, Bubenreut Erlangen. So, ayan. Bubenreut Erlangen, Germany. So, look at this road. Ayan. Ganda, diba? Ayan. Kinuha ko lang yung bag ko. Wala naman ditong mga masamang tao. Pero, it's better to carry your own bag. Okay, this is the playground. So you will not think that this is a playground. So some mama or mother, if they have time, they bring their kids here. So look at this. This is a playground for the kids. So they are exploring here. Look. So they are climbing here. So they are climbing on this small tree. Actually a branch. See guys, they are making house. It's funny, but kids here are exploring like this. And some. So look what are they doing. So they are making like this. So they are always running here. So look on top of this hill. So it's funny, huh? They also put some sands. Look, this is sands. Ayan. Para hindi slippery for the kids. Hindi lang soil. So they also put sands. Tapos there are many playground here inside the forest. Merong maganda naman, of course, pero this is designed, walang artificial or mga seesaw or swing, wala, as in plain lang dito, plain. They can play to for an example, this woods yan. So nag-explore sila dito, guys. It's funny, no? But it's normal here in Germany. Because here in Germany, or maybe in European country or in Western countries, they wanted or they should bring their kids to a place where they could do something. So, kailangan may gawin ang mga bata dito. Otherwise, I'm not sure. I don't know if there's a basis for this. Pero, syempre, the more na may ginagawa yung mga kids, so, nag-activate yung brain nila and hindi nagli-lead sa depression. So, they have to do something. They have to play with the kids. Some kids, they need to do something. Yan. So, hindi lang ito yung playground, guys. This is just an example. So may normal playground, may seesaw, may swing, may climbing, ano ba yung basta maraming mga palaruan din sa loob ng forest, which is more organized. Ito guys, yung waiting shed na sinasabi ko sa inyo. So yan, bumaba muna ako ng bisikleta. Okay, I'll continue bicycling. Ayan yung waiting shed. So, balik. Okay. Ayan, may tao. Medyo scary. Hi guys. Ayan, nag-stop ako ng video kasi may nagja-jogging kanina, dalawa nakita ko. So it's a little bit scary there kasi walang masyadong naglalakad. So today it was okay kasi may nakita akong nagja-jogging. Anyway guys, so trivia lang, no? So itong mga leaves, okay, bakit may autumn, bakit may taglagas? Of course, it depends on the countries, no? So ang malaking tulong yung mga trees, I mean yung mga leaves na bumabagsak or nalalagas during winter or during autumn, kasi it helps the soil from getting freezing. from getting or freezing nga. So yan, so babagsak yung mga dahon sa soil para maproteksyonan yung mga roots ng mga puno, of course, at saka of course ng puno, ano. So pag nag-spring naman, so again, buhay na uli sila. Akala mo patay na sila, diba? Kasi kulay, look guys, kulay brown na siya, brown na yung leaves niya, yung root, yung mga sanga tsaka branches mukhang patay na, pero hindi, ano lang sila, parang namamahinga. So by springtime, pagdating ng mga February or March, mga late, mga early February or mga March, ganon, mag-spring na. So ano yan, mag-glow na naman sila. So maglalabasan yung mga leaves. Ayan guys. Ganda, diba? Ang ganda-ganda ng forest dito. Oh, see? Ayan. Tingnan nyo, pine tree lang talaga yung hindi siya nagiging. Kasi nga, all over 24 months buhay ang pine tree. It's colored green. It's still green.
Thinking of
Ayan. So, mga patay na sila. And then, itong plants na to guys, meron sa bahay nito eh. Nabubuhay siya pag winter. Hanging plants din siya. Pwede siyang hanging plants or sa wall. Nabubuhay siya sa wall. Buhay siya 24 months din. Okay. Ayan, pine tree yan. Pine tree yung nasa taas. Ayan. Buhay ang kanilang mga dahon. Pero ito kasi, yan, yung mga brown leaves, itong maliit na puno. Ano yan, ang tawag doon, acorn ba ang tawag doon? Yung kinakain ng mga squirrel, yung buto. So, yun. One time, meron akong video, yung squirrel, nagko-collect sila ng mga seeds. Kasi nga, ayan nga, pag nag-autumn, taglagas, bagsak lahat ang mga fresh na seeds ng acorn. Yung mga brown, I think yan yung mga acorns. I think I need to go. Okay, have a nice day guys, and don't forget to like my video, subscribe.